Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate source for the latest in tech and mobile innovation. Today, we're thrilled to explore Samsung's newest release, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Just unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event in July, this foldable phone is packed with cutting-edge features and improvements. Let's dive in and unfold all the exciting details. Introduction to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 made its grand debut at the semi-annual Unpacked event this July. While it may appear to be a refinement rather than a complete overhaul, it still ranks among the best foldable phones available today. The foldable phone market has evolved significantly, transitioning from a niche product to a mainstream marvel, showcasing remarkable durability and innovation. Samsung's sixth iteration of the foldable series stands strong in this well-established market, providing stiff competition to new entrants like Google's first-generation Pixel Fold. Pricing, availability, and specs. Foldable phones are known for their premium price tags, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is no exception. Released on July 10, pre-orders are now available, with the official launch set for July 24. This year, the starting price has increased by $100, beginning at $1,900 for the 256GB model. You can choose from a variety of colors including pink, navy blue, and silver, with exclusive black and white options available directly from Samsung. Depending on your purchase location, various pre-order bonuses are offered, such as up to $1,200 in trade-in value, a $300 gift card, or a free upgrade to 512GB storage. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be widely available through global retailers. Comparing to the Pixel Fold, Google's Pixel Fold, which was released on June 28, 2023, starts at $1,800 for the 256GB version and is often available with substantial discounts. It comes in obsidian, black, and porcelain, off-white. However, unlike the Z Fold 6, the Pixel Fold has limited availability, being sold only in select countries like the US, UK, Japan, and Germany through major retailers and carriers. Features and improvements. Samsung kicked off 2024 with the impressive Galaxy S24 series, but the spotlight quickly shifted to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. This year, the Z Flip 6 boasts a larger battery and an upgraded camera, making it a standout device. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 continues to deliver a solid flagship experience with its premium aluminum glass design and top-tier performance. Dust and water resistance. One of the significant advancements in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is its dust protection rating of IP48, marking Samsung's first foldable with this level of protection. This rating means the device can withstand dust and be submerged in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. Similarly, the Galaxy S24 also maintains high standards for durability with complete water and dust resistance. Design and display. Let's kick off with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This device stands out with its stylish color options including blue, mind, silver shadow, and yellow, along with exclusive hues like white, crafted black, and peach available exclusively on Samsung.com. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a dual display setup, a compact 3.4-inch external screen for quick notifications and interactions, and an expansive 6.7-inch internal display for immersive multimedia experiences. Samsung has enhanced the durability of the foldable screen with thicker glass, minimizing creases and ensuring a smoother, more durable folding experience. Performance and features. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 delivers robust performance with enhanced efficiency and extended battery life. Its adaptive performance capabilities ensure seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 impresses with its dynamic AMOLED 2X display, boasting a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for fluid animations and vibrant visuals. Although slightly smaller than the Z Flip 6, The S24's display offers stunning clarity and color accuracy, making it a powerhouse for multimedia consumption and productivity. Camera and imaging. In the realm of photography, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a sophisticated camera system including a high-resolution 50MP main camera and a versatile 12MP ultra-wide lens. These cameras deliver exceptional detail and clarity, whether capturing landscapes or close-up shots. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 maintains its predecessor's camera setup while introducing advanced software enhancements. These improvements optimize image processing and enhance low-light performance, ensuring outstanding photo quality in various lighting conditions. Battery and audio. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy S24 are equipped with a robust 4000 mAh battery, providing ample power to support extended usage throughout the day. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or navigating apps, these phones offer reliable performance without compromising on battery life. Additionally, both devices deliver impressive audio experiences, with the Galaxy S24 offering slightly richer sound quality thanks to its enhanced audio tuning. Pre-order deals. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has already caught the attention of tech enthusiasts, thanks to Amazon's enticing offer of a $300 gift card with every pre-order. This deal not only reduces the overall cost, but also adds extra value for potential buyers looking to make the most out of their purchase. Samsung's offer. Samsung is stepping up with a compelling deal of its own. They're providing a free storage upgrade for the 512GB model, which is priced at $1,899. In addition, they're offering enhanced trade-in values of up to $1,200. This means you could potentially acquire the Galaxy Z Fold 6 for approximately $600 after a successful trade-in, making it a highly competitive option in the market. New features and upgrades. Samsung has packed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with impressive hardware upgrades, including the latest One UI 6.1. This not only enhances the overall functionality of the device, but also significantly improves the user experience. From multitasking capabilities to enhanced AI features, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is designed to streamline everyday tasks and provide a seamless user experience. Camera and performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 excels in both camera performance and overall device performance. With its powerful hardware and enhanced camera capabilities, including improved low-light performance and dynamic range, Samsung has set a new benchmark in mobile photography. Whether you're capturing detailed landscapes or taking selfies in challenging lighting conditions, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 delivers exceptional results. To conclude, we've covered all the essential details about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 pre-order options and its standout features. Which deal are you leaning towards? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more updates on the latest tech and smartphone releases.